Today we're going to look at the multiples of 11. Alright, so there's some rules that you need to follow for those who do remainder work. Okay, so let's start with the simple one. 11 times 2. We know that when you're multiplying 11 by any small number from 1 to 9, what you need to do is you just repeat that number twice. 11 times 2, that's 22. If we say 11 times 4, that's equal to 44. I think that one is easier. However, if you are multiplying your 11 with any number above 11 or equal to 11, but these two numbers, when you add them, they are less than 10. So this is what you do. Let's take as if you are multiplying 11 by 12. So if you are multiplying 11 times 12, what you need to do, you write these two numbers, right? 1 and 2. Then you add the 2. 1 plus 2, that's equal to 3. Then you write that in the middle. So 11 times 12 is equal to 132. Let's just try another one. Let's say 11 times 35, right? 5 plus 3, yes, is still less than 10. So therefore, what you do, you say 3, then you write 5, and then 3 plus 5, that's 8. Then you write that in the middle. So in short, our 11 times 35, that gives us 385. Let's try something else. Probably the number that if we add it, it will give us a number that is more than 10. Okay? Or else let's just try one more time. 11 times 45, right? We said we write the first number 4, and then we also write 5, then we add the 2, that's 495. What if you add this number and is more than 10? So let's look at 11 times 78. You want to give it a try? Of course. So let's try. So now let's check whether if we add these two numbers, is it going to be less than 10? Okay, the answer is no. If we add 7 plus 8, that's 15, right? That is 1, 5, right? So in this scenario, we cannot write 7 and 8 as is, right? But actually 8, we write in 8 as is. But with 7, we need to say plus 1. So in short, we're going to have this as 8. Why? Because we are taking this one on the 15, the tens, and then we add it on the first number. And then, of course, you take this remainder, this remaining 5, we put it here. That's 858. So what is it that you learn? When you're multiplying 11 with any number that is less than 9, repeat that number. So if it's 11 times 2, that means your answer is 22. Then the second rule, if you are multiplying 11 with any number that is above 10, or else if we are multiplying 11 with any 2-digit number, right? You write the first number on the left, and then you write the second number on the right, and you add that number, that two numbers, then you write the answer in the middle. That is, if the sum of those two numbers is less than 9, it's less than 10. Then we also have a situation whereby the number is more than 9 now. So what you need to do, you add 1 on the tens, and then the units that you got when you add those two numbers, you write it in the middle. And the units that we have from the number that is multiplying the 11, we write it as is. And good luck with your mental work. I hope this time around you master this and you get all 11 times right.